Hello travelers, so today we're taking a look at this here, which is the E1 from Wuben. Now this is currently on Kickstarter. It's a very interesting product. This is also something that you can get in conjunction with the Kickstarter. I believe it's like an additional add-on. I'll show you that more in a moment. But it comes in this really nice little case here, and it also has a sticker here which is magnetic. So if your phone doesn't have a magnet on the back like the iPhone, you can use this to stick it onto the back of any phone or any surface that you do want to use it on. Now this is the product here. It's actually really nice and it feels incredibly lightweight. You can see it has just enough space there in the back for a USB-C charger as well. And it has this dial here, which is a bit like an Apple Watch or, like a watch. And you press and hold that and it turns it on, and you turn it up and down to adjust the brightness. If you press it again, it cycles through the cool light, the warm, and then the mixed light. And you press and hold to turn it off. Now, this is designed to go on the back of an iPhone like so. And it is actually still very nice to hold with it on there like so. And you go ahead and press that again to turn it on. The other cool feature is that it flips up. So if you hold the side here, you can see it actually folds around to the front. So what this means is you can actually use it like this as a selfie light. So the brightness allows you to do selfies. The other good thing about this being magnetic and foldable is that you can actually use it as a stand. So you can kind of stand your phone upright like so on a table or for a video call. And as it's folded down, you can actually use this as a floodlight for something you're recording with the phone's rear camera, so you can actually see what you're doing. Now the other thing is that this is magnetic, so it will stick to other magnetic surfaces, such as like a car, if you wanted to use that to work in your car, for example. So it's actually very versatile. It's not just great for your phone. The other thing is that it's so thin and small and light, fits in your pocket very easily and discreetly. Now this stand here they gave me is actually the pre-production version. This one doesn't have the little button slide. You will notice the one on the website has something where you can slide it up, and this extends further up like a kind of a selfie tripod. This one is just movable like so, and it does twist around. And I'm not sure why it does this, but the bottom part also has like a kind of a grip. I'm not sure what you would use that grip for, maybe handlebars or something. If somebody in the comments knows, do let me know. But this is called the dual grip, I believe, because what they want you to do is put your phone on one side like this, and this goes on the other side. So you can actually use this as like a filming setup or, like a selfie setup. So the reason it's called dual is because the phone sticks to that side. It does only stick to the rubber side, doesn't stick to this side. And then this does stick to metallic surfaces, so it sticks to that metal side. And I believe it should also stick to it sticks to the back side as well. So you could also use this just to hold the light like so, as kind of a selfie light. So overall, it's really great little product, very interesting product, and I have seen these start to come around from other brands as well, but this one in particular is so thin and light, and the material feels really great, and it's very intuitive to use with the dial here. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click the link in the description and in the comment below to support the Kickstarter if you are interested in picking one up.